everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's so good to see you beautiful people again. It's been a minute. Let me find a candle and make a tripod. Okay, so I feel like 2 candles, that's even better. Higher tripod. Okay. What if I do that, sit here and have a conversation? That's fine. Kind of washed out, but you know what? It's fine. We're gonna live. Okay, so where are we at? I kind of started vlogging earlier in this week, and then so there's like some clips that I guess I can just like insert here. It's like it was really nothing, but it's like, you know what? Why are we gonna waste the footage that we have? So insert clips. Mini impromptu photo shoot. I needed Instagram content, and I was also like dressed, and I was kind of like feeling myself today, so I was like, let's get some photos. My sister just stopped by and brought me some packages, so let's see what we got. First, from Amazon, some mini butterfly clips. I think I mentioned in the vlog before, my aunt is having a 90s themed birthday party, and so I got these to go with my outfit. There's a lot of them. This was only like $2-3, and I got so many of them. And then next we have an Ulta package. I ordered Better Than Sex mascara. I normally use the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. I normally use that mascara, but this one was on sale, and supposedly the L'Oreal is a dupe for this one, so I was like, this is on sale for the same price. I kind of wanted to try it, so I was like, let's grab that guy. Face wash. So nobody understands how excited I am to have this one back. I've been using another one that my friend gave me from Rodin and Fields, I think it is. It works like decent, but like, no, this is my baby. This is my boo. So glad to have that back. I got a beauty blender. Always have to have one on deck. I got, and then the rest of it's concealer. They were on sale, half off, so I got 2, and then Ellie got 2. Those 2 are mine, those 2 are hers. And that's all we got for a little impromptu haul. I am starving. I literally haven't ate all day. I worked out this morning. Oh, my nose is itchy. I'm literally starving. I have not ate all day. I woke up this morning, and then I knew I had plans to work out with my friend, but then he texted me. He was like, can we work out earlier? And I was like, fine. So by the time I got out the shower, I didn't have time to eat, so all I had was a smoothie, and then like I'm starving. It's been a couple hours later. I think I'm gonna make either shrimp tacos or shrimp lettuce cups. Let's get to cooking because I am starving. I don't know why. Okay, I just like looked at my lips in the viewfinder, and I don't know why. I genuinely have not been liking any lip products. Like, I have so many, I have like a ton of like lipsticks and stuff. I've not been liking the way lipstick looks on me. Like, no matter what color it is, I always feel like it's, besides red, I love a good red, but like I feel like nudes have been too nudie chalky on me, and I don't like the way they look. Or, that kind of hurts my ears. Or I feel like they're too dark, and I haven't, even like the old lipsticks like I used to be like obsessed with, I haven't been liking any lipstick, so I literally haven't been wearing anything. And then I also don't like a gloss by itself, if that makes sense. I don't know why I'm like going through this weird phase of not liking lip products besides a red, but it's like my dress is green. I can't like wear red with a green dress. It's gonna look like Christmas. But I don't know. I mean, I look cute today, girl. Get it, girl. All right, anyways, whatever. Let's just, you know, make some food because I'm starving. have so much to do, guys. We need to start packing. I'm going to Vegas to visit my family out there. Me and my sister are going out to Vegas to see our other sister, my grandma and my aunt, for her birthday party. We are driving. I'm not too excited about this. We did this a couple months ago and it was like chill, but then it was like dreadful. It's like the last maybe 2 hours, I'm like, I can't do it any longer. So I start to get super antsy and like, get me out of this car. Right now I am doing a load of laundry and it seems like I'm always doing laundry, but in reality I'm not. I barely do my laundry. I probably haven't done laundry in a few weeks. And so today we're doing laundry just so that we can pack. And then what else do I need to do? I don't know. I guess you guys would just come along and see what else I need to do. I know for sure I need to pack. I'm the hugest procrastinator when it comes to packing. I don't know why. I hate to pack. It's like, I never know what to bring. I never know how much of something to bring. And then it's like, once I start packing, I get separation anxiety from my makeup as if I use that makeup on a daily basis. So I don't know. I just hate to pack. But so, I mean, let's get on into packing because I can sit here forever and just ramble on about nothing and then get no packing done. So let's get packing. Going through my bikinis the other day, or lack thereof, and I realized that I don't have any bathing suits that fit me anymore, or anything that like I'm okay with, because it's just not my vibes anymore. And so I went on Amazon and I got this guy from there, and first of all, it's out of my normal color palette. So okay, but it's out of my normal color palette, but it's actually like super nice. Like at the bottom, the bottoms are high-waisted, but they're not like, hold on, let me flip you around. Okay, so it looks like this. The bottoms are like high-waisted, but it's like, I don't know, they're like super nice, and it doesn't like suck me in the way I would want, but it does like hold me in. And then this is the top. It's supposed to like tie there. I'm sure I can like retie it, but I kind of like it just tucked under and have it like straight across. And then I like that the neck is like kind of like, it's slight scooped, but it's kind of like straight. And this is the first time that I've had a bathing suit that I actually feel like comfortable in, because like I normally just do like a regular, like, you know, bikini top, and I never really feel comfortable in them, and I'm always like, I want to be like more covered up. And when I tried this one on, I was like, this one is actually like nice. Like it makes me feel comfortable in it. And I will like, I'm not affiliated. I don't get any money, but I'm going to link it down below for you guys, because it's super nice. The only thing I need Skims to make a bikini for me, you know, like a one that like sucks you in, but like that's not too tight, because I don't like the rolls. Like when you wear normal like Skims, you kind of like get that little top muffin top, but this one's super nice. I'm gonna link it down below for you guys. Okay, and then for my aunt's birthday party, which is 90s theme, I picked up these Jamie Flair. Yeah, Jamie Flair. They're like this. They look super flared when they're not on, but when they're on, they're not that bad. My sister says that they look like they're 70s, but I was going for like late 90s, early 2000s, like a Y2K look like this with like a Pizza Planet shirt. Like I feel like that'd be like super cute. And if I look like I'm from the 70s, then it's fine, because I march to the beat of my own drum anyways. But I got these literally on Poshmark for like $20. Like that was it. And I know like Topshop jeans are like normally really expensive, but if you get them on sale or on Poshmark, and you're gonna get such a good deal on them. And these are like brand new. Like I highly doubt this girl ever wore these. And I got them for like $20. They're super cute. And you know what? It's gonna work out. Later, I am going to finish up packing today. I don't even know what happened. I probably just got distracted and I stopped packing the other day, so I'm going to finish today. And that's where we're at. My makeup looks so good today. I've been using like my face highlight under my eyebrows and it actually looks so good. Anyways, let's get to packing because I leave tomorrow morning and I am kind of a procrastinator when it comes to packing, as I mentioned previously. So let's get to packing. I'm not too sure. If I forget anything, my sister has stuff there. I can just always borrow from her. Honestly, I think I'm done. So that bag is like all my main clothes or whatever. I don't know if I'm gonna bring the hoodie. I might just wear that in the morning because it's gonna be cold. This one is like accessories and like whatever stuff that still needs to go in there. And then this box is Christmas stuff that goes to my niece, my nephew and my sister. And then these are her candle jars. I've seen them and I just thought they were like so cute. They're like iridescent. And my sister makes candles. I'll like leave her Etsy. Ooh, I didn't mean to make that sound. I will leave her Etsy down below, her waxed shop. I feel like I am done for now.